Hey y'all, today I got a Restoq box. If you are unfamiliar with what Restoq is, it is basically a company that sells wholesale boxes. They sell these, which are mystery boxes. You can get clothes, you can get hard goods. Then they have some lots on their website also that are not so mystery boxes, so you get a picture of what you're going to purchase before you get it, so you already kind of know what you get. If you've never purchased from this company before, I do have a code. I think it's Alicia20 for 20% off. I'll pop it up here if I'm incorrect. I'm also going to leave a link to their website. If you want to give these boxes a try, there's not a lot of unboxings on YouTube right now, but all the ones I've seen have been great. My first box that I received was awesome. Restoq is kind enough to send these boxes to me to review and show y'all. I'm excited to go ahead and bust into it, so let me tear off the tape and I'm gonna show you what I got. I will pop up comps on the screen if I can find them to kind of give you an idea of which each item can resell for. All right, y'all are gonna get a first look with me. I just cut the tape, so let's see. It's a full box. All right. So let me show the camera real quick. This is what we're looking at. All right, jumping in, it looks like we got something from a brand called Emissary. I've never heard of this brand before. It says this is a men's toiletry bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so yeah, just a men's toiletry bag. So everything in these boxes is new. That's one thing I really like about this company is that you know you're going to get new products. There's the tag right there. All right, next thing I'm going to go ahead and show because it actually came in my last box. Now, each week this company gets a Amazon truck filled with merchandise. You never know what you're going to get. So this actually came in my last box and these are worth a good bit of money. I'll pop up on the screen. I want to say it was like $50 or something. So that's cool. My husband, y'all, my husband wanted to put these in my living room. I told him, I was like, we are not a college dorm. All right, moving on. Here's a shower curtain, and it looks like it is maybe just a green, or it looks like it has some kind of print on it. So, okay, you see right here is a shower curtain, and then it has, if you can see right there, it has some kind of print. Huh. I feel like I probably should open it just to see what it is. Right? We have to see what it is. Maybe it's something fun. Okay, so it looks like it's like floral. So like a floral shower curtain. I'll just fold that back up and put it in the box. All right, next thing we have, this is called the Hokemp foldable storage bins. Cool, okay. So you have a pack of these. And yeah, I don't know if I want to take it out the package. Okay, so yeah, it looks like they're just the collapsible storage bins. I kind of need these. I'm actually going to be going to Plato's tomorrow, and I needed a basket to put a bunch of clothes in. I don't like bringing stuff in garbage bags. I feel like if you bring it in baskets, I don't know, I feel like they'll take more. I don't know, I could be totally incorrect, but yeah, I'm probably going to keep these. Oh, this is cool. This is a puzzle. It's a 100-piece round puzzle. It is everything else. It's brand new in the package. I may keep this for maybe my niece and nephews. I think they'll have fun playing with this. What is this? No Novaku cordless rechargeable screwdriver. Hey, this is a keeper, right? These boxes are so much fun to open. I'm sure this is worth some kind of money. I'm going to be popping everything up on the screen, but I bet my husband's going to be pretty excited about this one. All right, there's something big in here. This is a UV handheld HEPA vacuum cleaner. Interesting. Okay, so you can use this on the sofa, on curtains, on carpets. That's the front of it. Y'all know I have 6 dogs. I do have hardwood floors in the majority of my house, but I vacuum all the time. I have an area rug, I vacuum my couch, because if you have dogs, you know the dog hair gets everywhere. So I'm gonna think about it, maybe I'll keep it, depending on how much they sell for, maybe I'll sell it, but this is always a handy item to have around. I said this in my last video and I'll say it here, I think this box is great for gifts. There was, I think, 2 or 3 things in the other box that I thought would be a perfect Christmas gift for someone in my family. They may be watching, so I'm not going to say who. But yeah, these boxes are not only fun to open, but I think they're great for like gift opportunities. Okay, this is called Sip Works Stainless Steel Wine Tumbler. Oh, well, we like some wine. Let's see how this looks. Oh, it's a pretty color too. I like that. Nice. See, this would be a great gift for somebody. I like that. All right, this right here, this is a Bluetooth FM transmitter for car, and the brand is Tech Boss. I have no idea how much this would go for. I'm gonna pop up on the screen how much these will go for. I've never heard of this company. All right, we got some headphones. Okay, these are cool. Okay, this is called the B3510. Oh, it's a Bluetooth gaming headset. I had another wholesale box I purchased maybe like a year ago, and it had a Bluetooth headset, and that was a real quick seller. Okay, this is something heavy. It's a purple box, and, well, it doesn't say anything, so let's unwrap it. That was bubble wrapped good, y'all. Okay, let's see what this is. The box has a really pretty, like, glitter look to it, and this feels really heavy. Okay, this says Hyalin and Dora. I'm not really sure what that is, y'all. Have you guys ever heard of it? Let's open it. It's a mystery. Oh God, more bubble wrap. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me show you what I'm seeing. What is this? Is it like a... Okay, it has a stand. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so there's this huge crystal ball, and then it comes with a stand. Okay, interesting. I'm going to have to look that up, and I'll, of course, pop it on the screen. Huh. I'm curious. I'm really curious what that is. All right, let's keep moving on, y'all. A house is not a home without a dog. What is this? It doesn't say what this is. Is it a rug? Let's open it. I hate to take everything out the plastic, but sometimes you have to if you're trying to see what it is. Oh, you know what this is? This is a pillow cover. Just a pillow cover. Cute. Alright, something in a box. Let's see what it says. Paisanu bedroom. I'm going to have to open this. Let's see. This one's an easy to open box. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh, is it a light? It's a light fixture. How pretty. Okay, let me take this out the plastic so you can see it better. Okay, so here's the fixture, and then the bulb is wrapped up, and then it just plugs in. That is pretty. Okay, y'all, this last item is another duplicate from my last box, but this is a great item. Let me show you this. This is a makeup mirror, and I didn't spend a lot of time, I don't think, talking about it in my last unboxing. These are going for, I think, $60 or $70. They have even bigger ones. I guess I'm assuming this is the same size as the other one. Okay, this is a 9 bulb. I want to say the other one was maybe a 9 bulb. They even have a bigger one that goes for like $100. These are great. I was looking up the reviews, and this would make a great Christmas gift, y'all. So I got the makeup mirror and the lights in my last box, but I am not upset about that because both of these should bring in at least $50. I'm super happy with this box. If you want to try this company out, again, I'm going to leave my code. I believe it's Alicia20. I'm going to pop it up again. Alicia20 for 20% off. You also get $10 off your first order if you've never purchased from this company. Thank you again to Restoq Wholesale for sending me all this so that way I can unbox it for y'all. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I do put out daily reselling content here on this channel, and I'd love to have y'all. Y'all leave your comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new fun video. Bye, y'all.